Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. Where you bell notification, comment down below, subscribe to the channel for your #1 and exclusive cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and all the stock market and the gold and silver bullion you can get is just one subscription away, as we're the top most rated #1 cryptocurrency and blockchain technology in the sphere based on truth and integrity. And that first part of truth and integrity has got old Vincenzo into a legal jam here. And there's been a reason why we haven't been making many videos recently, as there's been a lot of things and a lot of felonious lawsuits being flown my way in an attempt to shut down and silence and stifle the growth of this channel based on some of the truth that we've been giving you. And I can't talk too much about what's going on because there is still some things being negotiated, as far as not a payment of anything like that, but as far as me have not been doing anything wrong and haven't said anything that wasn't either A, factually, or B, wasn't prefaced with this is my own personal opinion. And I have not went to the lengths of defaming anybody based on anything that I've said on this channel while targeting certain sets of groups that have been in the headlines recently. Even as small as this channel is, and as funny as it may sound, we were brought up into some of this mumbo jumbo that I had to take care of, and had to play it cool and easy and quiet to figure out what exactly was going on until I read into it and dug into this and had things straightened out, to show that these frivolous things were being done to silence opposition and to silence the truth about certain individuals and certain entities and people and organizations that were fleecing and heisting and shysting customers out of money. And this will all come out as time goes on, as 2024 progresses. But old Vincenzo is back. Old Vincenzo is getting back to business. And old Vincenzo told you, if you watch our videos from way back in 2023, throughout 2023, at the beginning of 2023 and through, we even put a selection in our playlist where we have a few uploads. Crypto Bull Market 2024, top coins of 2024. We're now in 2024. The Bitcoin has reached up to almost $54,000 recently. If you look at the Bitcoin price, it's been on a massive uptrend. And this is something that you would expect, but oops, something, old Vincenzo's about to run a yellow light. But old Vincenzo has been telling you, and you see, hey, Vincenzo, what are these horrid vertical lines here? Well, these vertical lines are the halvening, your most recent halvenings, right? And we were coming off bottoms and rallying into each halvening, but we've had 3 straight big rallies leading into a halvening. And then if we went into a smaller time frame, you'll see we had a little pullback or a big pullback, sometimes 30 to 50% right before the halvening. And then it levels off, you go through the halvening, and then the bull market starts. And you can see the next halvening is somewhere where this marking is, and I believe it is in the springtime, July. But it's fluctuating, coming up at the next halvening. And you can see we're coming off of our bottom. If we go into the weekly time frame to give us some more candles, you can see we're coming off of that big uptrend and the nice rally after the nearly, what was it, about a 60% dump into Bitcoin. And now we've regained almost 200% from the low. And now if we get a little bit of a dump, maybe 25 to 30% before the halvening, I think the bull market in crypto is going to start. The inflation numbers are coming back high. We could have a pullback down. We could have a pullback down to say 19, 20. That's a little bit too low. But I could see a pullback down to say 20,000, 24,000 range. But then we could, if we don't break below these major moving averages, the bull market could start as the inflation keeps moving higher. The Fed's stuck between a rock and a hard place and nowhere else to go. And you can see the gold market's been holding steady and rising in bullion prices. The crypto market has been holding steady and trying to rise. And I think 2023, with some major downs and ups, we could be headed to a massive run in 2024. Start of the bull market. Could we still have big pullbacks at 30, 40, 50%? Absolutely. But could the bottom be in? It could be. And there's lots of big things coming up. There's lots of big education and lots of big opportunities to 1000x your portfolio and to 1000x your run. And the bear market, which we're still in, even though the crypto and the Bitcoin's been rallying, and the not the XRP, but the Ethereum, the other coins haven't been responding yet. You can see XRP had its big push when all that happened back in the summertime, but it hasn't really done anything since then. It's given back a lot of its gains, and it's still sitting back in very affordable ranges. And what usually likes to happen is the first, oops, we got something going on here. The first, year of the bull market, where the major coins, the Ethereums and the Bitcoins rise, it takes a long time, and sometimes until the peak of those two next bull runs, until a really big run started in the altcoins. And the XLM, I now have 10,100 XLM coins, not dollars, but coins. 10,100 coins. I've been buying $6 a day in XLM on Robinhood, so there's not a big fee for, I don't know, almost a year, if not a little bit longer than a year. My average price is at 11 cents, just above 11.01 cents. I'm slightly either up or slightly down on the position right now. I've been up as much as 30%, but it buys $6.66 every day until it gets to 20 cents. And I have 10,100 coins. I have 5,400 coins of algo at 10 cents, right? And then I got, I don't know, 1,000 share or 500 coins of XRP. And I've been loading those in, especially the algo and the XLM in this bear market, because I think there's big things in the future for XLM, for algo, for Bitcoin and XRP. And I think it's time that you all have been preparing for. The rally has not started. The Bitcoin is rising. The halvening is coming. And all things in the next 6 to 12 months are going to have massive changes. There's going to be lots of new things happening, lots of massive wealth being created. And you need to be in the coins that you need to be in because you've done your homework and due diligence. But Old Vincenzo's back. Old Vincenzo's going to be making videos every day. The content is coming. The chains and shackles have been removed as things are being settled and shysters are being put where shysters belong, into Shysterville. Peace and love to my beautiful audience.